Children, you can do this activity by yourself. Color these measurements and measure these things in centimeter. Okay. Now meter, I have told you meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That is 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So meter are used to measure the length of the house, the length of your room, okay, the length of the door also you can, and the size of your playground, all those things. Listen carefully, children. Measuring tape has centimeter and meter, okay, and it is very useful for measuring lengths of clothes and large objects like furniture and doors of your rooms. Even tailor uses measuring tape to measure body for stitches clothes. Okay, you can try to measure these objects: length of classroom, distance between school entrance and your classroom. Then you will easily understand. Look at this, children. This is a measuring tape. So look here, centimeter. Okay, so centimeter and 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Look at this here, 100, 99, 100. So what I have told you, 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. This full measuring tape is 1 meter and half meter. So full it is up to 150. Okay, look, this 150 means 1 meter and again half meter. Okay. Now we will move to kilometer. So when you need to get from one place to another place, okay, when you want to go from one place to another place, you can measure it, the distance, by kilometers. Okay, so what I have told you, 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. The distance from one city to another city, how can you measure? Okay, the distance from one city to another city we can measure by kilometers. If we go from one place to another place, okay, if we travel from one place to another place by car or two-wheeler, okay, by car or two-wheeler, the distance how we measure? By kilometer. Okay, so the distance traveled is measured by odometer. What is the name of this instrument? Odometer, which is present in our car. Children, there is a easy way to remember this table. Okay, just follow it. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So you have to remember, King Henry died, mother didn't cry much. So you will remember in this way. Let us know, children, to convert upper unit into lower unit. Okay, to convert upper unit into lower unit, the number should be multiplied. And to convert lower unit into upper unit, the number should be divided. Okay, children, we will do the sum with this rule. Okay, to convert this example, children, we have to multiply the given meters by 1000. Okay, for example, here 70 centimeters we have to convert into millimeter. So we have to multiply the 70 centimeter by 1000. Okay, and here to convert centimeter into millimeter, we have to multiply the given centimeter by 10. Let us see how it is possible. Look at this example, children. We have to convert 70 centimeter into millimeter. See, convert into millimeter. So we know the rule, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 70 centimeter is equal to, we have to multiply because it is, okay, greater number to lower number. Okay, 70 centimeter is greater than millimeter. So we have to multiply. So 70 into 10 is equal to how much? We have to do this here sum. 70 into 10. So 20 and then 1 7s are 7. So 700. What is our answer in millimeter? We have to convert into millimeter. So 700 millimeter, isn't it? Look at this example, children. The second, 65 centimeter plus 6 millimeter. What is our question here? We have to convert into millimeter. So first we have to convert 65 centimeter into millimeter. Then what is the answer? We have to add 6 millimeter into our answer. Then we will write this much millimeter. Okay, let us see how it's possible. So here 65 into 10, we have to multiply this one. So 65 into 10, how? 0 means 0. 1 5s are 1 and 6 1 6 are 6. So 650. Okay, so we got the answer 650. What is it is? Meter, millimeter. So plus in that millimeter, plus we have to add our 6 millimeter. So 6 millimeter. Now we have to add 650 plus 656. Okay, so here we have to write, we have to add, so we have to write 656 millimeter, isn't it? Like that you have to convert it. Now children, now our third example, look at this 7 meter. So how we have to convert into millimeter? For this we have to convert meter into millimeter. We have to multiply the given meters, the 7 meter. We have to multiply the 7 meter by 1000. Okay, so look at this here. So 7 meter, we have to multiply 7 meter. So 7 into 1000. Okay, millimeter, 1000 millimeter. Understood? No, 1000 millimeter, or should I write here? Then millimeter. Okay, so if you convert means what? 7000 will come. So 7000, because 30 is here. It is millimeter. We got the answer. Okay.